Welcome to Digital Developing, the art of the smartphone edit. This video will guide you in turning a simple photo into a finished piece of art using your smartphone. Digital sensors capture flat data. This is an undeveloped image, lacking emotion or life. Editing develops this data, allowing you to create art from the original capture. Traditional photographers controlled light and texture in a chemical darkroom. Your smartphone replaces the darkroom. The style you develop becomes your unique signature. You do not need complex software. The Gallery app on your smartphone holds 3 core sliders: brightness, which controls the light level, contrast for the drama, and saturation for color intensity. Brightness controls the overall light. Your goal is to make the main subject clearly visible. Avoid clipping, which turns bright skies pure white and destroys detail. Contrast separates light and dark, adding depth and preventing muddy gray photos. High contrast creates punchy, sharp images, while low contrast results in soft, vintage images. Saturation controls color intensity. Your goal is to recreate the feeling of the scene. Too much saturation can create unnatural, orange skin tones. Your signature style can be defined by a grid of settings. For a moody style, try low brightness, high contrast, and low saturation. For a vibrant style, try high brightness, moderate contrast, and high saturation. The 20% rule is a great practice task. Capture a flat photo, then apply an adjustment by increasing contrast and saturation by 20%. Tap and hold the image to compare the original versus the edit. Use the global pre-flight checklist, edit with full brightness to avoid overly bright edits. Remember, less is more. Small adjustments create a professional look. Finally, check the skin to ensure it looks natural. Editing is the final step in the creative process. It turns a captured moment into a finished memory. You stop taking photos, and you start making art.